Imagine going through the heartbreak of a stillbirth, losing your baby, and then discovering you have a debilitating childbirth injury that leaves you incontinent. In your remote village in Ethiopia, lacking basic sanitation, you face ostracism and isolation due to your incontinence. Hundreds of women arriving at any one of our 6 Hamelin Fistula hospitals in Ethiopia every month. You can welcome them when they arrive by donating a comfort package that contains essential items like soap, pyjamas, slippers, a hand-knitted Hamelin blanket, and a homecoming dress.